y'all, it's Latanique Sharde, and today I'm coming to show you guys how I dyed this 14-inch 613 lace front wig lime green. Now, if you've seen the video, you know I already have one. This is my old one. I used Kiss Express color and lime light, and now I want to go ahead and make this one different, and I'm going to use electric lime from Adore dye. Now, basically testing out the dyes between each other. As you can see, that's more of a like deeper green, and I just wanted to compare them, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up my bowl that I always use with some hot water, and my water gets pretty hot, so I don't really have to boil any water. So that's what I'm doing right here, just filling it up with some hot water, child. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some of the electric lime from Adore inside of there. And then I'm going to mix it up with my comb just to, make sure the color deposits through the whole bucket, basically. And right there, I'm testing out the lace. I'm just dipping it in, see if the lace is changing colors and making sure that, it's not going to be a problem dipping the whole wig in. And as you can see, didn't really change anything. Didn't change the lace at all. Just giving that wet look. So I'm going to go ahead and dip the wig in. And this process is so easy. All you do is literally dip the wig in so you get the color that you want. If you have to go ahead and add some more dye, you can do that. And that's exactly what I'm going to do because it wasn't coming out as pigmented as I wanted it. So I'm just dipping and dipping, trying to get as much color out of the water as I can. That was not exactly the color I wanted. I still had some spots that were super, super light. So here you're just going to see me going back and forth between adding dye into the water and dipping the wig. That's all I'm doing over and over until I achieve the color that I would like. Now, as you can see, I got the color that I would like. So I'm going ahead and rinse this out. Basically, rinse it out. Pour the water out of my bowl and go ahead and shampoo it using some XoxoX shampoo just to get the remainder color that's sitting there. And that's another thing I like about this method. It doesn't really bleed that much, so it's easy to wash straight out. And now I'm just rinsing out that shampoo, child. And as you can see right there in that clip that's added, that is how the hair looked after I was finished washing and condition, like shampoo and conditioning the hair. Now I'm going to show you guys the two wigs. Right there on the left side is the Adore Electric Lime, and on the other side is Kiss Express and Limelight. You can see the big difference. Two different colors. Now the Kiss Express, you can see it's more of a highlight effect. It has highlights, lowlights. I'm going to put my hand up so you guys can see, like, it goes from like a deep green and it brings out yellows, and on the left side it's way more pigmented of a color, just that not like that one color, and it's just there. And me personally, I like that I like the left side more than I like the right side. And one thing I do want to say, you is going to break the bank using Kiss Express. I have a 12-inch wig, that highlighter looking color, and I use 6 bottles. And with the Adore, I literally only used 1 bottle, and that's it. I didn't have to go back and buy extra bottles. 1 bottle, and that's 14 inches. So that's a comparison between the two. I would have to go with Adore's Electric Lime. I love the color from the Kiss, but I just like the way Adore looks better.